It is free to learn English, one story at a time with Alford Books. Presenting Bees Sneeze. Overcome obstacles. May we learn the art of overcoming obstacles. Achoo! I'll never be a pollen picker if I can't overcome my allergies. Achoo! Achooey choo choo! I sound like a choo-choo train. Maybe I should give up. Elder Bee gives Billy some advice. Well, you can give up, or you can get going and try harder. Huh? If it is what you really want, you have to work for it. Elder Bee asks, "Do you like honey?" Billy answers, "Yes. Every bee likes to eat honey." Elder Bee continues, "Well, honey is made from pollen. We pollen pickers have a very important job. The hive would not have enough food if it wasn't for us." Oh, how can I stop sneezing so I can become a pollen picker? I will give nose plugs a try. Achoo! The plugs don't work. Billy sees the beekeeper getting honey from the hive. Billy gets an idea. He makes a mask. Billy can't wait to try it out. Billy flies to a flower. He breathes in. He doesn't sneeze. The mask works. Today is the big race to see who gets to become pollen pickers. There are lots of bees trying out for the pollen picker jobs. There are big bees and little bees, and fat ones and thin ones. The bees hurry from flower to flower to see who can gather the most pollen. And the winner is Billy Bee. Billy likes picking pollen. Billy overcomes his allergies to be the best bee he can be. He gets lots of honey too. We can all be like Billy and overcome obstacles in our own lives. These are other books by Alford Books as well, to help you learn English one subject at a time. Billy wants to be a pollen picker, but its allergies are in the way. This is the story of overcoming obstacles to being the best that we can be. The end.